Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the dreaded F2-E1 error code on your Whirlpool microwave, you're in the right place. This common issue can be a real headache, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down for you step by step. First off, let's talk about what this error actually means. The F2-E1 code typically signals a problem with the microwave's keypad or touch panel, often indicating that a button is stuck or there's some interference in the control system. It's Whirlpool's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Now, why does this happen? There are a few common causes. It could be as simple as dirt, grime, or spills on the keypad that's making a button stick. Over time, wear and tear on the control board might be the culprit, or even moisture buildup from steam during cooking. In some cases, it's due to a faulty wiring connection or an outdated software glitch, especially if your model is a few years old. The good news is that you can often fix this yourself without calling a repair tech. Let's dive into the solutions. Start by unplugging your microwave from the wall for at least 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches and might solve the problem right away. Once it's reset, plug it back in and see if the error persists. If that doesn't work, grab a soft cloth and some mild soapy water to gently clean the keypad. Make sure to dry it thoroughly afterward to avoid any moisture issues. Check for any stuck buttons by pressing each one lightly. If one feels jammed, you might need to carefully free it up. For more advanced troubleshooting, inspect the control panel for loose wires, but remember to always unplug the unit first for safety. If you're handy, you could try updating the microwave's firmware if your model supports it, or consider replacing the keypad if it's worn out. If none of these steps work, it might be time to contact a professional or Whirlpool support. They can diagnose if it's a bigger issue like a faulty control board. Remember, safety first. Never attempt repairs on a live appliance. By following these tips, you should have your microwave back in action in no time. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy fixes. See you next time.